Dropped him.
You're good? Yeah, I got him. He's got him. Defuse, defuse. Wait, let me come over there. Defuse the fuse. Oh, man, we should double team that.
Finish the mission. You're
Got
all
it,
that
got
remains.
it, got it. Get him, get him. Dude, don't let him get away. Oh my god.
Alright, we lost
you
that
should've
round,
kept
but it's
spraying.
not over yet.
You should have
Get
kept
ready
fucking
for the
spraying. He
next
was in the
one.
corner.
Out!
Look at that. You would have got him right there, dude. He just fucking 2v1 clutch it again, man.
Halftime. Search and destroy.
So annoying.
Eliminate the objective. Bomb acquired.
They already know our strat. They're gonna go A. I'm going B. Fuck this.
Bomb dropped.
This guy's like not even eating nothing.
Finish the mission. You're all that remains.
And my bullets aren't even going to him. I don't know what the fuck's going on. My bullets don't hit him. I don't... He's tag glitching. You better hurry up before both of them come. Oh, good shit.
Charges acquired.
Ah, you should've. Got across. Oh shit.
I'm out!
You can wallbang now? You got this. Find the bomb. Yeah, you're not gonna kill him right there.
Hello,
You can
GB
try to rush him over
admin.
there,
Alright,
he has
this is
double
where they
cap,
start to
so-
flood me at. When I press pause, he just stays in
He
that
just
same
can't.
spot. As
You know what
you
you
can
should
see,
do?
he's
Try to
still in the
plan.
same spot. I'm on the
Yeah,
other side of the
yeah.
map. And as you can see, still he is still in the same spot, pulling my IP to hit me offline.
But you better pan it real fast, like across, because that train only takes like 5 seconds.
And after I jump back in the control room, this is where I start lagging.
Yeah.
Joy!
As you can see right here, as I plant the bomb, you see the circle
Mission clock
lagging,
about to expire.
and I plant the ball
Bomb
without. I
online.
plant the bomb without it even making a full circle. As you can see right here, I'm about to kill him if he climbs up the stairs. I do have a 3-bar with no lag. And then I get connection interruption with the 3-bar. As you can hear, Trajan's voice is skipping. And he goes up behind me and kills me.
Where you?
Bomb offline.
After that, I get time out of
We
the match
lost
to
that
get
round,
kicked
but
out of
it's
the
not
party.
over yet.
And then
Step
a
up.
minute after that, I get signed out of Xbox Live. Thank you, GB Admin, for your time and support. Watch the rest of the video to see the full IP flood. Thanks.
Confirm down!
Switching sides.
there is one more thing I would like to note out. I am connected wired, and they let me back online after the second map was played.
How much more can you make your flooding fucking obvious, kids? Good game, bro. Hope you guys get banned. GG. You guys flood me when Amuse is the last guy. Are you serious? I know you don't have no faith, but you guys don't have to fucking flood a cheat. It's a free website, kid. Come on now, get good.